if there was a silver lining to the pandemic for IPE, it is that it taught us that we can leverage online experiences in a meaningful way.
We were able to embed this into the didactic courses, experiential education courses, and also this is in the PharmD and also in the master programs, for which we can have more case discussion with the students, that they can see an actual patient speaking to them. In this, I feel like we would have a very great opportunity for an IPE activity in the future, hopefully.
COVID-19, the experience in the United States regarding experiential education was a big challenge, especially early on.
But with the recent pandemic, we were faced by another challenge, which is the restrictions that were imposed by the pandemic on the whole world. So we have been facing a twofold challenge.